Hey there, sports card fans. We've got another break for you. It's been a while since the last one. So this was supposed to be the last box, but my mom got me 4 more. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm not sure. We might get to one of them before we head down to Florida. I don't think we'll get to all of them. But hopefully we'll get a Halliburton out of one of these. And then once we get to Florida, there's a buttload of boxes waiting to be opened down there. So we'll have some good stuff with that. All right. I wonder if we should put the light on. It's kind of dim in here.
No try. See how you like it. Better?
I don't know. It's better for you. My face is darker because of the shadow. All right. Anyway. James Wiseman, rookie.
Nikola Vucevic.
Sorry. I always have trouble with this one. Aleksej Pokusevsky, rookie.
Pretty good. CJ Ellaby.
Rookie. Joker.
My buddy.
We've got...
I had 2.
Oh, okay. Well,
what do you want me to do?
I'll put it over here. Derrick Rose. Been watching the WNBA stuff quite a bit lately. Really enjoying it.
Kira Lewis Jr.
Rookie. And at some point we'll have some WNBA cards too. Waiting for them to come out. The season ends pretty soon, but the cards don't come out until like mid-October. Go figure. Thanks, Panini. My turn?
Mm-hmm.
Duncan Robinson.
Udoka Azubuike.
Rookie. Anthony Davis, the brow. Okay, we're on to the Tier 2 Premier level ones now.
Obi Toppin.
Rookie. Alex Caruso. We are on to a Tier 3 courtside.
Carmelo Anthony. Syracuse.
Yeah.
When Christie went.
Yeah, she was a grad student when he was an undergrad.
Onyeka Okongwu.
Rookie and Shimmer. Oh. Tier 2 Shimmer already. Isaiah Stewart, rookie. Still no Halliburton, though.
John Collins.
Sekou Doumbouya. We've got an insert, so hold on. 1, 2, 3. I don't think we got shorted anything this time, but we'll check. Is it? Oh, is it? Yeah, it's your turn.
James Harden.
Select company insert. Okay, you got an upside down card. Oh, Nikola Vucevic.
Again.
I think it's Vucevic.
Markelle Fultz.
And that was green, white, purple prism. This
Pretty.
one is just a plain blue prism. Sadly, no Halliburton. Well, hopefully he'll be in one of those 4 extra ones that you got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, we're good this time. Yeah, you can... Well, the last time I was able to tell because they didn't give us these 3 cards. The insert and 2 of the extra parallels. It ended with the shimmers. And they're always the same configuration.
You think
4
you like them?
I don't know.
No.
These cards are from like 4 years ago. I don't think,
I see.
you know. Anyway,
Okay.
thanks for watching. See you again next time. Don't forget to subscribe and be sure to stay safe out there.
And vote.
Definitely vote.